That beat is real. Don't wait, make it kill ya. Get your green select glucometer and check it. Sugar level, check it. Check it. Green select glucometer, check it. Push sugar level, check it. Reselect glucometer. Everybody check now.
This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Emre Dudu Nani etena ka mu kwantin akoto ne oma begu ye shop mu se wo benya ni nyina ofako enno so ya asem foforo wo so to mfa akosi kaswa ne mpatamu anase achimota lapa se kosi nsawam. Jimmy Dale is your one-stop shop distribution for wholesale and retailers. Safa drinks, insio, enyane, anasa ade bia wo pe bia. So wo koton ko ade a enye bia wo se wo tumwa eye Jimmy Dale. You can locate Jimmy Dale Ventures at Giga Junction inside Soto, or call us now on 0208-920-996. Jimmy Dale Ventures, the official sponsor for Samiflex TV.
Are you an artist finding difficulties shooting your music videos due to financial situations, poor directing, or poor visuals? Then worry no more, because Kojokin Production, in collaboration with Flex Entertainment, are here to save your situation with a soft promotion package. From now till December, get a powerful top-class quality visuals to your music videos at a cool 2,000 Ghana cedis, and the most interesting parties at your own choice of location. Won't pay we now pay DN. For more details, just pick up your phone and call them on 0249817182. Get the best and a quality video.
Yeah. Kojo, perfect, yeah. Ori, nation, yeah. Everybody can you, let me see the top. Boys on the hustle for payoff. Boys I show you aircon, I am pecans on Muslim Pessoa, yeah, son. School never top up, free life on top up. What you know, your pun, yeah. But me feel my bill, then I make a mean cheap, then I'm a million and my yellow penno. And to see I'm a clapper. May I my anya, major, I got me one some more. Mammy, I know yo, my man, last time I shoot you more. I don't care what you say to me, my dad wants some made them more. If you fly me to a flyer, fly boy, could your payment them more. Don't feel everybody will like you. I still none will go right free. My dad Van Dam. Moonuka, no, I'm last kick. I don't care what them say. Yeah, you. I don't see them, yeah, you. I don't care what them say. Yeah, I don't see them, yeah, you. Rana min chanyeko. Dana yo pesa. Rana min chanyeko. Dana yo pesa. I don't care what them say. Yeah, you. I don't see them, yeah, you. I don't care what them say. Yeah, you. I don't see them, yeah, you. Rana min chanyeko. Dana yo pesa. Rana min chanyeko. Dana yo pesa. Maya na yo, mini kisi yo gani hit. Rana min chanyeko. Missy yento gani kiss. This year with the roof. That's why Nana with the move. Yo, street and giant shit. Ain't the answer gani test. Minto, Nana aswad na body. Tell what you may your close. Yako, Nana we start time no be today. Tell what this. I a horror, me a horror. First no the fear face, so I never run in the race. Money haste on my mind. We always aim for the grind. Until we end for a time. No day here, and if you're bragging, bro. Yeah, many gang we here to run it up. Yeah, we could shut the city down when back it up. They always the killers we hear new movie. I was in the I don't care what them say. My yana yeah you. I don't see them my head. My yana yeah you. I don't care what them say. My yana yeah you. I don't see them my head. My yana yeah you. Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko. Etana yo kesa. Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko. Etana yo kesa. I don't care what them say. My yana yeah you. I don't see them my head. My yana yeah you. I don't care what them say. My yana yeah you. I don't see them my head. My yana yeah you. Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko. Etana yo kesa. Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko, Rana minchonieko. Etana yo kesa. Hey, yeah. I mean, let me sing that. Yeah, yeah, find that. Our nation, rule.
Adeɛ baako a minim ne sɛ bɔne etimi ɛte obia na so ebi ni mu hɔ a bɔne to ma am sɛ ana mo de no ɛyɛ mɔbɔ too much ɛnɛ bɔne ato celebrity bi ama nyina ɛra ho amasa celebrity no. Now before I remember who celebrate no kai say show na Ocean your friend is Showbiz Daily. It is live on 2 channels, that is King Tom TV as well as Sammy Flex TV, and around the world I know Obia share Showbiz Daily right here on Sammy Flex TV. And again, Kaise show is put together by Emmanuel Ofori Lapiji aka King Lapiji, Digital Rasta Currency, and Richie Flex, with support from Tina Baby, the Sexy Don Don, as well as Gideon Ni Lamtesin, Omonomu controlling affairs of the show. I'm just a messenger for this platform. My name is Flex, and you should know that I do this with you every day on King Tom TV, Sammy Flex TV. You can be part of the show via our WhatsApp number 0243514732. It is on the line, and the good thing is that if you are also looking for any promotion of the sort, link up and let's take it to you. Live on YouTube, you can also join the live chat. Also, no violence. Nana, you guys is here. See where you attach them and they are caught your so, but that is just okay. Obia that is just by the way. So guys, welcome. Be part of the show. Share the link with your people and tell them that real showbiz content lives here on Sammy Flex TV as well as on King Tom TV here in Ghana. Thanks to my guest, Extreme Left, Roland Amate, and our sister be or Canada. Or some country Roland said in some now Canada. I start be. Oh, Ajwa Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Michelle that's it for Enra, your friends and correction. No? Yeah. I think say we crash say and yet omunina na yomudi atem. It's only so bad in a calm manner. Yeah. Yes. As about son obedi atroke again. Obedi ya da paike. Oh, yeah, mumra say na ya adwa ban. All right, Ajwa, thank you so much to all our Canada followers, USA, London, and everywhere. God bless you guys. You guys are wonderful. You make Showbiz Daily thick. And to man in the middle, his name is Zolanie on Instagram. To our social, Kobo Zolanie, Z-O-L-A. Minim jeti odi ni eka. And you know where you want to be, Zolanie.
That was the first time me posting a picture.
Yeah.
On the same bar, that is a picture.
And who's the way nipa?
Me posted on because Zola no ni. And most of the times we call events crown up. Me jina go for no Zola home come
but mun say Zola net you Oh, okay. Nti na person mu say Zola ni. Oh, I I see. All right. Zola said I shall modi no and to know the
General Merchant.
I hope I say or something General Merchant. I'll tell you oh now there Anita call restaurant be over banana Empress Nita and okay. What is Empress Nita Nyajima Bio is like going by the Barbie. Nam okay, so Nana Reagan is also a Beef Nation president. He is from my immediate left, and he's a journalist promoter as well as a publicist as well here at Summit Flex TV. For information, show no you know there until announce watch. Now, I told you that there is a celebrity Neho Achino. Let's go watch our first video, which is called the viral video segment here on Showbiz Daily. Not your bar and Comonano. Ya be say oye loose and now say a conformity celebrity. One venue be on the betrayal. Let's go watch this in right back.
Charlie, street guys just pick my phone right now. Charlie, Charlie, street guys just pick my phone right now. Charlie, I make go out. I charge my phone. I charge I put on for the gear in body. But man, my front glass no I was from passenger side. I was from so traffic inside is switch red with me. I just chuck it. Some guy come tell me say Charlie me tiny BBB so I change my drink or me Danny mania or say I mean me tiny not BBB my drink pass sex chai on person movie I mean me Danny me in Charlie na me charge no ye phone if mu kra mu call Charlie I say you know careful so I would slow down and I say traffic light at show red as soon as we jinemo menja or front glass no down sure why you roll it up Charlie they didn't best they be doing in my video Charlie, I lose everything, my videos, my voice notes, Charlie. Anyways, Charlie, bad day, my crown.
Na sesia me fear ne say komi guitar or phones be die ho. Baba kwa me nim ye iPhone 12 Pro Max CB. Now I'm asking, is it the iPhone 12 Pro Max no? Any area na say e be Android be an ka ho.
Charger no be
Android. Mo share charger ni because I know yes, as a label, I'm not sure this should be a secret. As a label na iPhone 12 Pro Max or the year name.
Okay, wait, type C.
Type C. Yeah. Oh, and challenge we smart. Oh. Wow, that's smart. That's smart. Okay, it's a iPhone 12 Pro Max. Many the yamia. Because I know 2 plot or Ashanti Mamu. 2 solid plots by generally I can have it. Now I'm asking, sir, is it Kumi Guitar's fault as a celebrity, as an artist, and Nakrofon so movie as an Moshe? Amazon can shake cut. Oh, Charlie, Sammy Flex, Charlie. My Yanisa. Send it here. Oh, that don't why be you here now?
I don't say. Why be you lose get be Juma be do? Why be you?
The Juma no yeah be do.
Yes, Juma dey be do.
Okay.
And told over I just will be a kumia lose get. Juma e bet me do. Yeah, anytime. E bet we just
slight mistake.
You was drink a cream for the Juma be do. I was said they all kind of ma. Send a voice note to me, so no need to send him out.
No voice note, no kind of nyum. That's how they sing. And no now can your voice note like what's in the movie? But then you mama Sunny money. I don't know can. A hot name yam. Exactly.
I don't know conform to me.
Basa be baby.
Melody the best.
What is make as a content provider with many topics for discussion. Na matrato. Some the topic for discussion bit me ba. Na mantro. Afi mo na me hwa ade ne mabiem. Etimi shimi. Aha. Some the topic me nyape. Na matrato baby.
In fact, I crap on Sunday discuss baby Roland dey cast out me nya point be pa. On kita pen be point. Dey be so. I think say it's unfortunate say baby sabe to come. You be man ya kon kafra. Phone the baby be sabe. Now we no be as your kind. Me that's why video we dey at 12 mountain. E be alert him for because I'm pretty do na bobe 50 10 or corner 11, 12. Now traffic maybe you say but
Amber.
Still now. Be most of you all don't say they are kind of running passenger sign. Very alert. All packet so red now, especially she name. She red
La Paz. Yeah, who back be that? Yeah, many currency more. Yeah, ni mo
and our phones. So sometimes we get a crowd.
What's up here?
Yeah, you have to be careful. Once on rule and course, when you reach now, so much. Because
and some people man talk about that.
I say gluten.
Hey, me omo ye me be o circle. But check, I think the 2016 or so visa. Me right to ni ma. Me tena si page me ti am me baby me was na come me some go.
Hey.
Where type you go say?
On Kafra. And obi an so nya hwe wa bonte because
I see.
You say me na krum kra especially we say me dey share my bag man I say. We would have gone bet. Wait. Simple.
Na say o tie ba Jesus you tie be.
Obeyi the simple won't take it.
I see. Okay, and let me get your opinion on this on WhatsApp number on your screen as well as on our live chat on YouTube. You can also share your opinion. Say, Kumina lose Akronformu name celebrities. And now say there is this question I even want to ask Zola say Zola na celebrity sell time or glass bathroom. Question de me say question who mas
this nika no ma
no you say
big time star we na in Nigeria for the BT no
yes star be honest
but rasa here sa lifestyle no most of times I don't know my artist be sometimes I'm feeling some way and I'm to me encourage because sell glass because through glass and cause also kuni pam kota there anyway. Sometimes we want anything special about that. Because we are all human, regardless of the level of our.
We are all humans, but we are all not equal.
Regardless of the level of our. 6 feet we are equal. But say we are celebrities. Sometimes we now everywhere that crowded attention. Who say celebrity, A-list artists, we stone bomb shut down. Omunya wan komu omanga bet me akko to mo. But because of the crowd na about misbehavior and man. And anything I most of times omudium bebre nyanko me live lifestyle you move in living. But Charlie that tag never tag na. You so yes happen says no also kind AC ni kan. News about say oh the AC nya ejuma he is broke is this. It is an on be prevent this and man also mu live lifestyle bia. Even if AC ni come also could you be car AC room. No boiling for some minutes. Any issue no. And then with a comfort bit in brass I mean I'd say a come in onimu skin onimu yeni.
Okay.
It sa question in the new boys in the there where they celebrities in Bona target because say the way system I made believe something say celebrities no scar. Ubia was scar celebrities the moment that
way scar.
Yes, in the room there omunya okra no be ye on. Omunya okra no be ye on a serious. But with a foot no do na me dey pa because maybe say obia what time can we onim say me glasses were for na me nya park or traffic light me money nyina akoso. Enye say e di di me da but me hu me dey na mo ka. Me odoko na me hu ye. Me di car bi echi me wan say ya true before.
Away bus.
The video.
But me mom they want to go apart. How many behind that?
Yes. I think said that come on for no more.
Yeah. It is that me need a foot because if you are moving me able to now for the old me guys will be at nam cam. I'm a catch any pan say Charlie my phone now so me so much. Ndina me bomb on say ni pan na me bomb pass bibi santo. Because only nika but to can against you do travel now against Charlie phone so mu ya na say jaya na bibi sano. Because nobody go fit do anything we have to me shit but say at the photo we are communicating about and the most important thing of video na because so no cry dey dinner and also who's the one
I see. Okay, it is still caution to all of us, not only to celebrities but to each and everyone out there. And our police need to hear food, but me did say Odrin who here on to be two and Roland.
That's I think say I did really any something new. Idea wow, especially nanti achero. Oti bi who de bia na enye obi owo private car no be or driving kwana side with him. What a trot rich you bet any pay. Ebi opo obetimi abo weni so once obo weni so ahon o concentration wo baby eye o ya oh no o bag cra bi esiu so no say obo weni so sa na what do I get it what
be coincidence sometimes you lose guard for any other thing
why nyame gu so nyina ebetimi dia enti no na emane nye because the way our system now ama ni uji like even to believe somebody cry obi a wonim ne cry to let the person come close ne cry say akoda ne accept because you don't know who you are letting close to you
who to trust
yes not even trust him but ebi a unam kwemu you see when sometimes you are walking now obi timi approach you or obi who on TV so na wate on car radio so the person wants to approach you but you have no idea at that moment no onipa ebi mpo ani asman so mbe obibi so ebi a ye nam kwemu kra na senye ka mpo ne ete na ebi be careful of our valuables we should also be careful of ourselves and also be very cautious about the environment aye wom especially kopie baby a you should be security cautious you should be very security cautious unim say okay aha me way there okay per the way me analyze udru baby a wafu weni hwem wafu weni hwem masa me say bi wa yetu kamu ye ko baby a ye du baby otimi say no Charlie baby e gree there
I'm very sharp on that
yes baby e gree there Charlie I sharp one say na ebi na nkoye ebi a phone ye kohwimu ebi na wan kasapo ye be attack wa na car ni mpo ni e beje recently honorable Kennedy Japan kra said something on his network say obi duping about $2 million or so yes you see as big as he is I knew one who no share the kind of businesses awaye our catch also in this modern day and age obi etimi duping says kana obi ho awon ti ase so I think we should all be careful anyway any kumi guitar no I lose ebetimi atu obi at the moment a we be feel hu kitu ebi me yes say kumi guitar sa say me on say that say obi ehwim obi phone na wa park o car or traffic mu no obi abe tam ade what is but then I refer we nipa ho the more the least chance I will be feel be kitu ebi edobeko so let's all be security cautious and you who say yes and anything bia na ebe and a Ghana police or na Ghana police the beginning of all the security starts from us because if we yetimi careful enough at least you betimi save the situation to some point at least be do extreme obe so we there etu oni sekan ye gina me so mintimi nye hwe other than that we should all be careful ni enhwe ye husu ye say ye namu say ye ti trotro mu say ye ti bus mu say ye ti yankasa ye car mu you never know where you are going to or whoever is watching you.
Solid advice from my team, Roland Amate, Zola Nie, and Nana Reagan. And he also born by Avian our experience. I'm up for the children. Say Ghana, say Abruchi, or share with us not your monkomo. This is Showbiz Daily. Remember, we are live on Samiflex TV. Same way we are live on King Tom TV here in Ghana. This is the show for the people. Here we talk show business and we talk social issues. Now, after our viral video, there is this social topic I want us to look at before we go into the deeper or real showbiz information. Also for Ajaguraja. Na so na mo friend Church of Choba no sana so ndi ya
Choba Church.
So ndi ya katanga
no a kind of nickname but wo edin na so no we edin
producer Pacha so share na so ndi ma me na ye na say Choba edin na ma ye di
because of edin na
no we have to get a real name and the producer will give me that name very soon so I inform you about it. What is the real name or the real church name of also for Ajaguraja? Now, so far, if you are talking about celebrities, omoye pastors he is part of it. In fact, Enei Ajagraja, a celebrity pastor in Ghana. Na metimi pakatra say on Instagram po he's verified. On Instagram Osofo Ajagraja is verified. Dodo na hu say ono de okona sorry say enam protein ebi ma system with the dabi na ready aduane de benya bie dia ono so de sebe ne tankwa so wa ko de dankwa no oyinam na tria okum ponchia okum ojan okum in fact the mitra ne say wa ma ekom eswate e wo na sorry dem na asamba ko waka we de hu a me pese ye share say ase ye part na rega nya ge bi okoware no na odene ko asori dem so osofo ene ehira ware esma me o se na ohwe na osofo no be ehira ware ne so na matu ta ne matu ohwe na osofo no qualifier 1 e mani ehira aware se mani mompa empo ma osofo a ono e bampo onyanya bi ono osofo e bia aware obampo onya bi e na o se de ni be manyaduma ba ho de mi bisa mu na rega be dem so osofo bompa ya mai ne mpa bonyaduma. It's a no betting a side, if I don't change. But the other one I want us to really consider or say the own way, yeah, me my name Bompire, my Diana indirectly also are now one. And yet for the canal minds, me call for some them yes, you cannot forgo. On your canal. Okay, now we got on your canal. Well, let's watch the video. Let's watch the video, and when we come back, a video come up. Watch this. We'll be right back.
Orinka 72 bin chiro tie ne ye hwe no amma sofo a ne be ma nya adwuma enchira wawade so ana se adoring Deuteronomy 23 verse 1 was say dia ne hwa peche ene dia ne kwati atwa womanya me asafo mu onento bi behira wawade so na nche na wade na gu no odifo ne be manya adwuma onim de ntia obi hira oba adore nso a na akora na ajade no kokai ho Deuteronomy 23 verse 1 dia ne hwa peche ene dia ne kwati atwa womanya me bedwom I free advice na me dem. Make sure say nipa oba be ye wawade wa so for obe hira wawade so wo ba so for oba be hira oba adoring oba tie the ye very carefully a revelation bi abofo panya Ajagraja ka kire me revelation Deuteronomy 23 verse 1 dia ne hwa atwa dia ne hwa apekya ne dia ne kwati atwa wo manya me asafo. Be careful of whom you are allowed to bless your marriage, and be careful of whom you are allowed to bless your children. You're very careful. Ni ties asem musi. Odi for combination man na ekase. So di for combination man na ekase dey na high Ajagraja movement. Ajagraja ndiye. Sa Ajagraja susu ni dey na choba church na wudran. Sa choba church na dey na bi dey ekelankuto na chamankuto. Sa me chamankuto dey na I am the CEO of Brokenness Medi Block. To kurufu su ye medin. Ana odi for su kokosu ye medin. Kai sa asem we say. If you make us a sofa be shall bow what yes, Uba wedding so, or obey ya adore busa sofa batch Obama a yajuma, and a peche. Oba Damasi, Dachi, Choba Sophie. You're going to answer the mackerel.
Well, and come on now, sofa need you know as much as a day laughter a crabano. What's 3 years, no transit, no be sounds, and yes, she's na producer the Asori Diamba Sharp Universal Spiritual Outreach eno na ye osofo Ajagraja na Asori ni din kasa Choba Church in the Elias keke they atone so but Asori the Universal Spiritual Outreach until the wiase nyina na ohwehwe honhoma etimi ye niema eho enewo so utwa Asori ni din na like I said nkomo we no it is not for carnal minds until the canality the Cassandra went to me and drop it or points ni ye. Until Roland started or no said that spiritual about the shady obey me there. Ro, we know who is saying a futura because sorry penny I say above penny Ajagraja. That means he sees another spirit higher and bigger than him. Sa spirit na nakasa.
Basame, quotation of boy, Deuteronomy 23:1. He that is wounded in the stones or hath his privy member cut off. This is the King James version.
Okay, I'll try and preview. Okay.
Shall not enter into the assembly of Jehovah. That is what.
NIV no, I say Deuteronomy 23. Bible Gateway Deuteronomy 23. I say no one who has been emasculated by crushing or cutting may enter the assembly of the Lord. No one born of a forbidden marriage, nor any of his descendants may enter the assembly of the Lord, even down to the 10th generation. Now, before I start here, Kasano, Bible this is here. Say there is a New Testament and an Old Testament, and they tell us Old Testament nyamani die aye adada etwam tisefos na enei honhom konkrondi wo enchen eti se ono ba onwo ye se ono na ya say meme de me kora me ko power ebefa.
Matters of spirituality na enye obi an etiase.
That's true,
because there's this story in the Bible when the people of God were carrying the ark of God to the promised land. Edru baby no omo na they were they sanctify or to qualify to carry the ark of God now no more brain. One slipped and the ark was about to fall. And even someone opted to help or chokekeke. God struck the person down dead. Because the person, according to the translation, the story, the person was not qualified
to even touch the ark,
the ark of God. And think of you so we can say, "Hey, nanyame, adi edi ewa di enke bofo mu." And then nipa ne de ne ho adi aje. I think there's also a verse in the Bible that says that the moment we understand God, then God ceases to be God. The moment the moment he becomes predictable, he ceases to be God. And yes, I kind of share what he is talking about, because perhaps I mean in Pembe won na say wunje spirituality ni awunje, but say wunje say even there is evil cry I was spiritual connection there, then I think say you should take this very serious. Because ye won go for ebre omo de omo nsa toto amanfo so a enye nsunsuanso bi wo mo so a omo ni. That's amazing. Se wugidi nko ade esi ebi wo hono ma unnim nipa na hyase. And again, when he is talking about even the genitals. How about people who are not even using correct powers?
Ajagraja na sorry ne signboard ni. Sekai. Yeah. And this kind of ditcha and one eating in a down. I see.
And no, yeah,
what do you guys see between the middle crowd? What do you guys see?
It's a lamp to be sad.
Lamp. Ana obi abodwe. Ni party as a na kwene na abodwe na no aba. I see. Okay, that's what
I mean. He's talking about only the genitals. But how about people who are using false powers to affect people's lives? Because we've heard of cases that even a man for cry, some of the midwives in the crown of man for war the crown. Ekita some negative, quote unquote, negative powers be it may affect a man for lives. I will do on my we've heard stories of people even testify and say, hey, midwife be or Jia Kolana war time now war no DBB man. It exists a war. I just a win.
Okay.
Or you decide to go and have a different meaning of whatever is going on. But if you understand matters of spirituality and you believe say they exist there, because say adi any hono me I say adi any hono anything. And he said, "What say what dia? Never. Say what dia? Then what he is saying is true. And me, I am even seeing beyond the genitals, because I don't put the abia. Sebi she nipa na atade mu nti wo ye den kuhu. And I could be saying so or on your ope or beka chire. but we should all be spiritually strong. Say, even if the person decides to lie to you physically poor, at least when you are spiritually strong, you will be able to oppose some of these forces. And this sir, uja ho sa na o, even dey me nyi ni na obi eni ho na eni nam ni ekoba, brasa me. If you say na ho tra kwa. Say da ho sa kwa, and ka time a ye wo nge na oda ho no. And you would have been able to know say what existed. The moment I won him ye wo until say we start say we nanti ansa na wo crowd ye conscious say me nipa me te ase no, then you should know say we ase na ho sa akwa. And you say na ho sa akwa na, we should not give ourselves away to just anybody to lay hands on us. It's not those people who move from one church to another. Tis of we encounter her reading airport. Yet, we encounter her reading airport. Only Papa was a year, what pass on the 50. Nipa no muninadio mun say good. And but I mean, we know, say, whatever happens to us, yes, our heart is kind of the engine of the body, but when we are yarding say, yes, it's a adrenaline yejuma, body ne break. Inti why do you need do trim no nipa ne den sa tu ti so no ti no so na kura body no inti ni bibia free so na be si na ase u dey free so na be si wa be si.
So you think it is true?
It is true.
Well, Roland Amate, Event Guide Africa rep, ono de osi ohuni say Osofo Ajagraja, Universal Spiritual Outreach Boss, aka Osofo Choba, ono de ojidi say ninsem na okano enokre. But I asked earlier, say almost say Old Testament in there, and no trim they say konkro to say no Osofo no wo ye na mensome wo de lie me de me bogum so befa. Na yehwese ne ebeko. Share wadwe e bia na wo more spiritual knowledge on this. Share with us on WhatsApp 024-3514-732 number on your screen, and again on our video chats, live chat on YouTube, where we stream it live on Samiflex TV as well as on Kintom TV. You can also be part of the conversation. Share the link, and remember to subscribe to the channel if you've not done that, because you can't showbiz anymore. Zola, Yantwaso.
Razami. Choba Church.
Yeah.
Broken Nation.
I think it's words of spirituality sometimes, you know, you need to be independent, like independent words of spirituality, because this is not how can inner spirit within Nakasa. A spirit bigger than who he is in Nakasa. And then for what I've known over the years, these spiritual people don't just wake up and talk. Unless
okay.
But when a preacher and a spiritual person comes out to say, it has been revealed to me by this, that I should do this and that, and then not cultural, you see. In as much as O2 for Obibeka say, Anka all can say no, I didn't Obibe say I didn't think Anka Mami ma South of Sano and at least Ubibe have more explanation. Say okay, then me manage so then it be to my warrior, then Nima be brave. But you see, most of the times, this spirit wouldn't give you reasons. It's just like Otuna on my own make a decision on Abi, I mean Didi and Amami Didi, and then you hear two voices speaking to you say Didi mean Didi. Am I reason why I don't eat? Am I reason why I should eat as well? Understand? So most of the time, what happens with this kind of revelation is okay, if Osofo maybe has genital issues, my money share my worries, my money mbami outdoor in the money man. Words of spirituality, most of the times, there's no problem without a solution.
Okay.
There's no problem without solution. You see, most of the church members are even spiritual more than the pastors themselves. Most pastors. Most of the church members. Most are more spiritual than the church members. But you see, once Nipanidina pulpit, sometimes respect are given to those people. So with this kind of spiritual revelations, fine, who knows that couples, you might not know the certain things they've done spiritually behind closed doors, even before coming to you, say NSA. And then for what I know, we've got certain spiritual fathers, certain pastors, which even if Uoma sorry them, now they don't hear voices, so many showers, and they will not do it. Regardless of our position.
A moment voices our no they want to be led by the spirit.
Yes,
sir.
Yes.
No matter the envelope, I'll be there. Because US power no and but if you US about $4 envelope mama so for the $1,000 be bompa keke I also need $1,000.
Sana ama system no ayenzama words of spirituality engine we on there yekaso we because we up reviews okay we up say obi ba no obi man is sky you understand sana e be hunu by see words of spirituality no when you are so deep in these spiritual realms this material things like money no go found because at the end of the day if when see you inner self now ko e be before if our own corner is here you blame yourself as well and then pastors will be one before me go share obi aware and obi ba they fast for a couple of days before they do those things because this is not rule and they can baby eji akola na wo ni mpo no and I busua me no mo kan bon maybe they don't even agree spiritually so what's off for now we share our energy if you don't stand firm spiritually if you can start and go ni go ase everything I'm say if you on mom if they don't hear anything from their inner self
they don't do it
but if you don't know at the rather man fine our Bible no it connects but you see in as much as O2 for no I will say you rather educate in sorry man and I say say okay even if you don't have any option at least you have to do series of maybe spiritual consultations before you do certain things like because say now I can't say we don't know Nema
the solution in fact the solution I'll drop here and say don't allow it
without any reason.
Unfortunately when Timmy and Chre send me aye but I said don't allow it to him that is his solution
so you see people to say me say I might want him to even come more clearer like okay more already saying because we've seen worry with this kind of pastors almost what genital issues worry almost shank of our so I'm blessings so it's not about the words of spirituality sometimes never be
vary
never be
okay
there's no problem without any solution.
Okay, thank you, Zola Nie, for giving us that wonderful opinion as well. Now, my main call Nana Reagan, her Beef Nation president, we beef him, but you heard Sunday on also the befa. Nana, you or Becca? Yeah, Eva Diva, and Kana we too local. Kasi Eva Diva. Yeah, Eva Diva.
I think say we serious matter of spirituality. Now the woman say, in fact, okay, yeah, sorry, the way I call you sorry, prayers in the oh, oil I did the possible bonfire.
Anointing oil.
Yes. Can get piano also the oil bonfire, Emma. And then ni penny now cry and say, oh, the oil go.
No behind the oil go so.
Then the piano the oil go.
Wow.
And see, Sanyama Reno, mediocre, and I won't doubt it, even though I don't know the exact implications. I be as Oma, also for I said the same in Beme, Ediness, Isha or so I did Baba. I think Sabia won't say, Memena if you to be war, Namini Pegward. Sometimes, Udipan ordinance air torsum. So, Unimno and Quechi. Unimno spiritual background ye. Na ebi akapo ummo ne ho mpae ndu bebi man unya feeling bi say oh nipa we me ben na the feeling na minya the kind of atmosphere what around us positive. Don't allow anybody to do that thing because odene start to so no impact you in a way. So adi pano sebo ye also for ye German for you also bit me German for software or your crown for so bit me a crown for there is that possibility.
Okay.
Into be on wo na wo the enfambra reality like life and it makes sense like oh you say omo twi baby mekaya me
the odi chile di kan na
patre kwase obema o
tienidin yeah
nipa na o kɔ no akɔ sere ba no se nyame mfa ne so ma oba na ebi ono wo ye ne kɔti na ewu ntimi to na akɔso
abanya ginitu ana odo benada odo ebenada meme da ho meme da ho akodo meme da akodo
Okona sa nipa no de nsa like even if the first we're going in the crap no like you should ask yourself question because sometimes when you are going to any spiritual leader maybe GD say anka the people more anka at the corner o kwa question when you say nipa na nkasa no he physical in the life or only go as serious or sanyama
okay
when him say like what
yeah matida kana say
bia me pese me corner Sofu Ajagoraja ebom pae ma me na
metonantwi uko nantwi bebre gu ni compound
in fact say who faith crap sometimes you don't even need him to lay hands on you you can just tap into his anointing like wait make with faith abom pae SOC bi aka say oh sa papa we nantwi a otun pese me so ebia every year bia metonantwi ba na utu enye mpaye ne keke ubom mpaye bia ye ho yetu ho ana ene na asofo ni bia take advantage a omode ye mpaye bia yetu ho ana
okay
minimum asofo bia ekwan a o se offer so o start say o toka every year bia nkofo che no cars free o se no nante or you nante for the fair.
On the first.
Or nante for the first. But also, yeah, sorry. Or what? Or yeah, sorry, no, obi be chair in the car. Or yeah, Bible movie out of miracle testimony and the parents are there. So for me, I'm not sure I am. Let's talk car we am. I'm not talk car no the brand. No, no, so so for penibia. Or shena we din the cheers and no papa no. Why sorry, I shall assume you're not a bet. Onika nti e de ka na be che no ana ono yes no de ka na ba akọ bless it so for no wa challenge na me say sa ka na o de kwakọ bless nya me nipa no na me fa sa ade na o ye no so na onya ka no mro so e bi ye bi on talk
wow
and also koye sa ade ever since koye sa ade no e be see ende e bi ye bi obi timi be no wa na ye the birthday oh da je kaki ka we benz then Ose ono de ma ohun say o metimi atoka sa secret na anamonto no 2 year enum na ogidi say eno na nam so ma na nhira na ye de e wo ka ho to e ba enti say o power na say o pese osofo bi mbom pa na ko osofo a wa ware ho enyo osofo wa ware be 2 months
wa ware ke kana na ware papa cause osofo ne bi so ware o mo so ware
who cancel the cancel
say and ebu ana unhune in terms of bet ubetimi akwa asori baby out be also for pay no utim so wawari achi bet e bia wunya efie mudi to say bia ya na yiri hook ne kon ana so don answer or abuse the video fie ne e bia wunya sa until say bia nyama better akoso a oba na be ma ne be ba monti aba be kan bi na obenya sa details bet say ubehu say o me power papa ya ware ordinance to me so say omo ba asori so de edi enu hu ne de efe
yeah
nti so ebi obo mpaye mame a ebi asa aware mu nhira no
ebi be ba
so
okay
ejuma mu nhira no ebi betimi aba nyame betimi afa me so be bia awo mu nhira ya wonko fo bebere wo no ma eyobi ene ne na aware mu awo eho agidia na monto na otu ebo mo mpaye ka say ewrade the way I was shira some first some wa mommy nsin shira me na
and I wish you well.
I wish you say obi hu a o life ye me fe oh same flex ye oh same flex TV mi na ka me so mu wo e bia asimesi TV ewade sa adiewi ma ehun inshallah bi embra so e betimi aba betimi esi
wow
enti em say no mu ncheche kakra na Ajagoraja eri 2 year for say software if 7 or double another day money share because nipa ne double brother na okobo empire ma na awo ho ye odi
emfa
ebetimi amba me say I don't know for a fact but it could be say your impact say you see laying your hands on somebody there were so many
spiritual
implications yes so business are two to so and that's how one we in fact me I made you na ask me so I say e kan ho bi na our way ni bibre na sometimes it depends why na e shira our way no so why na e bless you say why na e declare say my husband and wife
since nobody wedding in Daniel
of course I have because of US abano akotia to be $1,000 because of fire ko jina garden ni mo na
asanda ya mbrombo koto okay
I'm not comfortable home pie answer no maba bishra because if you are now aware if you are not spiritual forces be cry you need to break those things
wow in fact and then microphone minim some way spiritual sir I thought they were just carnal minds and about become spiritual things and to my idea mo say more man yeah but if you are not more spiritual if you are not more spiritual now and pa bacho if you are a reverend minister who says oh Nana Reagan it is not like this it is like that a man me cha adapa Bakonos Jimmy okay now let's move on I think that there is another angle I want us to look at. This is pure showbiz. Pascal Amanfo obia or starting Jumaye as your friend is saying video director and a movie director rather, let me put it that way, movie director. In fact, he's directed so many award winning movies. Ghana have projected or promoted most of his works. Now an idea why minipa in fact nyo no kwa oni Majid Michelle no mo kan nyina Majid send the video bo abehu abranche me kana ka say oh minim no. In fact at the point movies ni go no sit me act kakra otimbe scenes 1 2 but not his main job akasa is the director of movies here in or started from Nigeria or failing Nigeria space now Haiti and Ghana for Salam starting by Anika. In fact Ghana the movie industry name akotine pa why never be now I say nipa bebre na omo yo say ene yomo ye actress omo ye celebrities omo ye stars ene na se for no I say ade papa bia ni omo ye ade papa bia ni omo ye all that they do is omoba Instagram na ne yen twerk sa ba ko poni da mani this year ba se bia bebo se bia bebo this way say o ka ho eno so e wo ho na ye bisa se ene Instagram ni social media ground one hwe ya unti ase ba de enhwem de na me to mama pamfo ni wie omo ka bibi wi ana mesma hes metimi a kire ma agen a me pese me fa obi words afri na no because sene papa no e kan o say and na e celebrities aba say omo ade papa bia ma omo mu de omachi kapre de omo ni ma ne yemu and e na me kekre braka sa listen to what Pascal Amanfo said na yemrefie e ba enkomo na be biemu na yakoye ni
next week. I don't know how.
If you're given an opportunity, just one.
The next week. I don't know how.
If you're given an opportunity, just one opportunity to change something in the movie industry, what would it be?
To change the mindset of people. You don't act or you don't get to be an actor to be famous. It just so happens that fame comes along with the job. You don't ask. People write me and say, I want to be a star. That's not the purpose of acting. From the onset, if you have that mindset, it's going to go wrong. You become desperate, you will compromise, you lower your standards, lose your self-dignity because you want fame. That's why there are many people who are on Instagram just being famous, who have no talent. People get on set and don't know what the act job is about. But drive a nice car and wear a tank top and have a body with hair and nails that are acrylic nails and they are stars. I don't understand that. I put 10 years if I got a major break. I don't know any other scope besides the school of hard work. I know process, I know hard work. I do not know how you can twerk these days and have 2 million views and be a star the next week. I don't know how.
I don't know how you can twerk and within just a few minutes you become a star because of what? Twerking. Social media and come on. Like I said, me say, you find your course was school and starting chill. Me have said this time and again, and I'll still say it. Social media, abrafuni ya my entrazu, abrafuni ya never bed. No, our living and their living, it is never the same, and it will never be the same. Social media, you find any course was school. At least you started from senior high school. The basic for no. Senior high school, they know what drew teenage. Almost starting here, the good and the benefits, as well as the ugly and the disadvantages are a work social media. I'll see a start teacher. Because yanchra, because so said a Pascal Academy, a home common doso. But my mentor mama pump for na start to say, I am passer or say obi ewo Instagram. What twerky. Our numbers, in fact, we call 1.5 million, 2.5 million following. When ya blue tick is also verified. Obi also an actress or actress. That be finding a general set to say, oh, madam, action, not ultra-fannable. Oh, yeah, quite. Action, or the great with a memory. I'm the cat, and we should try to be media to drop a day, or in the name of cat, because they go ye. Zola, now yeah, online at Juma, now yeah, online at Juma, and my many own status and come away. I go over tackle on the saying, yeah, some no canon, there is also a fact in there, and the other issues around it. How would you handle this?
Okay, so I think the seminar kind of normal because even in our space here, we've seen most of our media men battle it out to who a celebrity is. And then most of celebs no more industry have been given that celebrity tag because of followers on social media without anything to prove. So yes, what are we even celebrating them about? You understand? So Nyasem kind of perfect because we've seen the likes of people they just from nowhere you see them tagging themselves as actress and then actors just because they have following. They have no works to show. Say, okay, I acted in this movie in this year. Me try ways, me part me say I've been here, I've been that, I've been part of this project and this. But the moment you have followers, I call live on Instagram. Obedi di atem on Instagram. Ama nkofone na vibe ni na kasa call live no we 1 million views no aye automatically.
Oh, star.
And then you see, I don't blame those people alone. I blame young kasa yeho. You see so na mama ye be mama sa tag no. Because so call live no ko you no ko bon say blogger be betro celebrity. Man retro no man celebrity tag no. Okay. If you go on the ground na jimpo need that kind of celebrity side nimpo. But at the end of the day, obi a trafa no say or a celebrity don't so be find that. Then your traditional media houses be count because if obi call social media ko no nya views spread the next one will be one sort of radio so me kasa. So if obi friend no say or a celebrity we if you the check at the end of the day so obi call on Instagram no attract actor actress. Understand? Because it shouldn't be about twerking. It should be about movie. All can. He has lived a very good life as an actor. He be how can being behind cameras and on cameras as well. Yeah. Or never be brave to prove if you should go somewhere and say be a say. You see, these are some of the things that a fully celebrity tag no and I say most of the celebrities in the back. Because at the end of the day, if we have views in a company, they say, okay, we are celebrity. Yes, let's work, let's do this. We feel company because idea being your most of them go on set, they panic. Even just for TV and radio interview, minimum beer now very loud on social media. Media also you to me call live planning and funny now some can or no more discuss social media. The other time media will be person interview. See I media me you and they are telling me. Wow, yes. But see, I don't feel stardom. Remember, biggest I was Ghana, I remember San Cram free invite.
So, Umbra.
Meanwhile, prominent people were maybe to mom invites now after or that was shown or those people crying and put was shown my mom maintain certain height. So with this kind of celebrated thing, guy Pascal Ekano, perfect. See how because social media to celebrating.
So I'm sure based on senior working now I can drop my argument. My argument is that as much as the friend is saying Pascal Amanfo we also live in the world that we are all acting as influencers one way or the other. You can act as an influencer based on you have over 20k following on your Instagram. You can be an influencer. Being an influencer doesn't mean say really and truly I'll say you be over some value be a talent strong could be all that people are looking for is so that change like as a see idea and so ba I no vena be back or vena because Zola say and Zola kind and nipa 20,000 and Instagram alone. Don't you know that is what the system is now looking for done? The age now can only talent. Okay,
Brasa, question we are about media because most of the times I may come behind cameras, my name can focus on me. You see the brands, respectable brands, no make you huge for endorsement. You don't go in for these things.
Which means
this make you on social media, we just follow you and then have nothing to prove. No. They don't go in for those things.
Are you sure?
Oh, Brasa, me share. Look at the Samsung.
Zola, have you seen? Sorry, where the have you seen a certain Hajia been to in a fan milk advert?
Yes.
Okay. What end that spot for her? Like as me Bisao, Hajia been to you or another actress.
She's a targeting musician.
Which music?
Yes, and then she has 2 songs to prove. No, she has 2 songs to prove. I only need to prove. Meaning that about only 2. I see, that's my research on. These companies on which are huge, like the Samsung, Coca-Cola, don't come in for these things. And those which are huge.
It is not true.
Research.
Zola, it is not true. Recently, Techno, Efre and Crophobia in the name of influencers on TikTok. I remember say a Sasanto Ponoka and a certain boy being Bimpona Minimpo say because TikTok comedian grown for na minim say is a keenword TikTok. Your friend was Sasanto Brasa I'm part of the Techno ambassadors on TikTok. David say really? Yes. And this guy I'm talking about, bro. Meaning you but Techno is Techno not corporate enough?
Brasa, me can't this say they don't pay well because of certain companies, certain brands are minimum how much they pay or more money on a brand like Samsung, Electroland, on my file will be saying me trying to do. Obeti aka crazy, baby, me sorry say me kasa say we, but Electroland on office or which we call anytime.
Yeah.
You omubuka, omomodika, most of the celebrities no world. We try, you don't charge it free. You don't charge it in the yes. You don't charge you don't charge free. Into who say why advert be am over say be a deal.
Nothing.
It's a per research, you know. Most of the brands will make you huge. I'm more research. They say on the advertising even on their pages, you know, don't know going for people like this. People who just go and show their naked parts.
Zola, the point no or supporting the Pascal Amanfo Akano award-winning movie director or say the donor if mo Instagram mo twerk your numbers baby obekọ so me actually could not set so or bong. Also, bet match our Jane. The number for WhatsApp is on your screen. Link up 024-351-4732. What do you think about this? Meanwhile, on YouTube, where the live chat is active, you can also be part of this discussion. Showbiz Daily, live on Samiflex TV, YouTube. Subscribe to this and get more feelings, as well as on Kingdom TV, a TV channel here in Ghana. Zola, Roland, sorry.
That's me. Near Pascal kind, I think I share partly and disagree partly.
Okay.
The part that I liked about what he's saying, what he said was the fact some way somehow the job comes, fame comes with the job. Because nanka enyo bia pen say adea me in Kenya me, like I should be famous or popular. But then I say automatic. The moment I'll be in ye na become. But then there's also another school of thought. That's I mean, I say the times and seasons, the system is changing. And when you look at the origin of social media, it is not part of our culture.
Okay.
Now it is just an adopted culture.
Social media is not part of our culture.
Yes.
How?
As Ghanaians or Africans.
No, it's not true.
No, that's a maybe.
As human beings all over the world, we are all social animals.
I am talking about the internet aspect of it.
No, the internet is no.
I want to.
Then mobile phone is also.
I want to explain something.
No, we are social animals.
Just
and social media, just interaction.
Yeah.
Basa me na make say. Yes, something that we adopted. And idea ya adopted. Meba.
It is still not true.
Let me explain.
No, it's me a cast as na. Yes, but let's just tozu.
Idea, basa me meba.
Yen cry, wait. Yen cry here. Yen cry say the demo e ho na start yin no. Ye community no. Ye wo nipa ho. Sa nipa no, oh, maame ya amansa, ni fie ni. Ne ba ni na afuo ni. Or you say that is social media. And so the only difference is now, they are too bigger.
I always say on this platform, say life I live in our various homes, and one you live on internet so. But in contest I may person may explain you when say. Yes, something. It is a different word that some of us are adopting, and because we don't have vast knowledge or in-depth knowledge about the internet world, no, and then I say you must be AD this environment. I tell you, recently Chemoka said there's been some research in the USA. Omo bisa even in Kola say omunia dear no mo pesa omo beye, and about more than 50% omo first choice were to be YouTubers. Other than the traditional ejumana nkiyenim say doctor, police, banker, now most of them want to go to the internet. And I say, you see, in our part of the world that yehu has seen, compared to Abia outside, who compare a hane or honoma, ye come muti internet na se pa the positives, the negatives, and even the ugly side nimpa. We can surely say omoti as a change.
And it's not true.
That's how.
It's not true. Some people are also getting some negative vibe out of the internet.
Exactly.
So it's not true.
But me patch say.
Addiction.
When you think about the innovations that comes with whatever internet we are using, you use internet to Chroma. Abafusu use internet to Chroma. As long as iPhones. If indeed,
are you talking about inventions or
yes,
the use of it?
They use and inventions as okay. Because you know you see internet, but omo hear the papa no their brain you use sana me patchere. I am trying to second sound notion na oka say enka ye infuse social media no e wo school mu na say one say sisi ano because fame na be ke ejuma no ho no. Ebi mu nim say ejuma no eno ani fame. So we be famous eno ani ejuma no. So instead of them anka doing the proper work to get the fame no, they are rather omo fa ejuma no ho akope fame. Because they don't understand social media no, the power no mukita no, and how to go about it and even have a positive impact out of it. Because they don't understand it correctly, you know. Instead of being him say, oh, Ebia, somebody like Jackie Appiah is famous. Or Jiska. Ebia, out of sa fame no numbers no social media no. Onya endorsement, Onyiska. But Jackie Appiah throughout the years in the career, and she's an actress. And then I want build and every money here popular, every money here famous as you see a one massive numbers no social media. As you see no or the Giska. You understand? It's not wrong. Say na Zola can say brand be fana. On him say oh, aside the person even being famous on the internet in the crown. Traditionally, you didn't see her or your actress. We know her for something other than being popular on the internet. You understand? But these girls, because on him say, oh, Jackie Appiah is popular, she's getting endorsement deals. Then, Semisumi shaking me too, and now when I go naked on the internet, now many numbers, no, and at the end of the day, I am going to get same or similar endorsement. Now, Misumeni scanner. But then, power now or the impact of whatever she is doing with the power she has as social media or internet, you know, until I see it. And no, I may try to may understand it from what Pascal is saying. And then the okay, and now okay, see, and can find schools me. And then I'm person say I have said wrong. I had to say most of the people that use internet and social media here, oh, Zola Yusubi, Mati said, in TikTok. It is because Obi a popular or TikTok. That is how come they also join. And yes, be or some serious socialization be, and I say be or business be. It is just by accident. And they be also make me a popular. But oh, Zola is on TikTok or you're popular. Hey, Zola, Mati so yes. I'm on for YouTube. Your friends say channels baby adults or Chrome you has to do with the fact say Obi or baby or YouTube channel or Giska or baby. It's a baby. That is it. But meanwhile, a Jumana Nipane de Sha CM and the core young son what could do baby away Bruno. People are passing that side. And yes, they are not checking it. And that is what Pascal is saying.
Thank you, Roland Amate. Well, argue the point in the year. If you are in the bad, if you are in the on WhatsApp share, YouTube share, and here Monkomo. Nana Regan to us way. Asama Pascal Kaine social media and semi. Okay.
I think our people are just being lazy with their social media lifestyle. Akwa say Obia person influencer said the outcome because what I say oh go for mo kwenye sikefi ade we yo post you bi ya itiana ka we say nti na me so me pe kwan bi so na me nye de me so me kono me ko yi bi kwan ben na ohu se ni pa na afa so o to eke e grapin polo e to eke o de ton hon
you say who ka they deliver for them
yes
V8 pound
Enti was a Obia to eke me I think the one problem with Ghanaians is that attitude of we na Zola na blue instead of you also maybe coming up with your own creative ideas to also channel and get whatever you want. You want to force yourself into Zola's idea and then do exactly what Zola is doing. And then I'm like, baby now, Pascal, they come once and no. They don't even consider the talent. Okay, after getting the attention and the numbers on TikTok, Instagram, what else do I even have to sell to the people? What like Dana, me what aside just putting camera on me and shaking my ass. Or train or new shaky train said the outcome take no best friends okay bra. When I say also who shaky or numbers and 30,000 3 million to the brana yeah pack a crama who shaky now the and now me I will not condemn it totally because whether we like it or not Obia twerk and I thought the
and talent.
Yes.
Oh yes, and talent.
Yeah. And you in my name him twerking.
Yes.
David. And you man in
yes, and talent.
But what we are saying is that don't go and twerk. And then write philanthropist. Entrepreneur. What do you so
and Kodada Mampo. Say, you check it out there.
When I actress because in fact, that's more numbers. Be now, apart from say we maybe Jackie say or you say in Masamoja so Bobo and I say all the other people, especially almost some be mukrapa me loud. Omo ma church or sign money in I don't do now omo. That is why once I say culture be by the me friend the insult culture on social media. Obia fele say Chini Jonas or started being go fashion.
Twitter and verify.
Yes.
They be a car no mention.
After Chini Jonas trends, remember who they want to adapt the same attitude. Album who they go out, most of Facebook, bring all your life, no dear them. And so, I'm not for just know your value, know your talents, and conquer intro. But they also bet to a kid in your number. The people use different strategies, and maybe by Instagram, people were using ABI, Aisha Bodiba.
Yeah,
Stone Boy, but or the Benjamin numbers, or we are now assistant their business name be no they turn
and decided on the G numbers.
Yes, how many G numbers?
Give yourself any Shewa Bennett in the same.
Oh, how many G numbers?
Oh, fine.
We are all artists in fan page. We call SM Shatter Movement fan page. You better say official. We go follow Nima official. Beam Nation Global 1. Beam Nation Global.
Sammy Flex Nation 3. Said you'll be the medium correct catfishing. I think that's
the right piece.
Why review a channel?
Okay.
The Pascal Canada, and I brother man. One said, ne do not about Bayano, Emma in a sense, like. Udi amami use equipment for example. At least Ubeke equipment polo to work in one. Whether you're money or papa, there's a business aspect of it.
Yeah.
A clean. Or no, I am honey. But show the video we are no I am honey. They know two car. Not the one in our bro. No one is car.
Do you know some people even fancy the fact that they will appear in her video?
Yes.
Best I mention.
Yes.
Some people even fancy that.
Yes.
Because Captain Polo Ben mentioned me. If you obey 900K following. Or mention me, I 10 beer free.
And I'm page back when I'm about 500 and something. The day she mentioned me, I got 2K straight.
Really?
Yes, if you have people 2K straight.
Sometimes, you who say, oh, you're quite to a kid. My ultima dream pona or the quack to a kid, and then very important. And conquer to a cake. So the officer here hook up, catch them. Your pimps be broken. No, and conquer to a cake, so I say, and to a king, because I'm out for the year correct business. ABI will be crappled. The only defense you can give to those things is that Emma numbers, because boys especially.
Yeah, your friend in America.
Okay. And come on, but maybe I can read the chat. The reason why now people will do anything to be popular on social media is that everyone who is selling is looking for that guy with numbers to sell. And Nuntina, even let's look at what we do. Showbiz Daily, great content, but obi epe baby aye advert bi ababa feel say oh Showbiz Daily some flexing go for no yard you but I mean cause other guy no or ya man for because no ye we are 100K views. I don't know fa. That is why it has become necessary say obia ebeye bibi anyhow just to get the numbers. Now when they get the numbers, you see Pascal said no kind. It is true. They go on set and the guy don't have talent. But producer never fan. Because producer at the end of the day, the audience of the poster. No, they omudio manim ato so. Now say there is a guy called Lloyd, Akwabia, or Kanka Igbetribi.
Yeah,
Udaji. Yes. Look at this guy. Oh no, boss. What exactly is that guy doing?
There is a lifespan. A lot of these things.
No, forget about the lifespan, bro.
Lifespan,
they are being general, they be Jerry. What about no Jerry, sir?
or no de waji o my okay say unso na wo kwa fan say de wo ka say okay me na me a movie director and I'm me pay na still because we loud e be a TikTok and Instagram.
You are now an influencer.
Yes. We are very popular. My still all right. Brass I mean the movie consumers so mission movie na ye feature wo back na went me and deliver. Yes, some who post as well. People will not purchase the movie again.
That's why I agree with the lifespan. Because
yes, people will not purchase it again. Because once open man show team and maybe people can cry out to Sokre because of the title, the real title. I'm out for best now we say okay, no, or per controversial title, but how show movie in the Caribbean and shut down.
And yeah, what it is.
What I say. Oh ma, when you Uber known for Sanya man the pet business we life na be short. If you know penna, Uber enjoying your maybe what you want them now. Think about those use their tongue.
Okay, Nana Regan, I've summarized in a year, am I? And I'm happy about this. Let's move on to our very last topic for the day. And Sana Yetra Bibiaso. D-crime is in the news again. D-crime is in the news. And I know, and then so now, and they asema what can I say opese feature artist be. Let me say this. He was using the Sarkodie example. Not long ago, Nipa Bebre na Babo Timbeka say if he calls Sarkodie, he doesn't pick. If he calls Sarkodie, he doesn't pick. Beye and Sem Baby or son of Granny, my boyfriend are on fire. And they are mom Beye no year, no, and they ni what on our nam the Tanzania. Ne album launch ne listening. Na and come up back one air cost on the say or say wa ope obini na ye feature. Obe through the pakono beka say on fan forget it. Now move on to the next person. Now meaning say industry sa na tie dia. Everybody say why enyum. Us enyum ama e dia. Kofi Kinata na esese ojina nyumi so. So my friend Kinata sa wa ko Dubai or Chile on fa na me ko frɛ patapa dia bejina so. If enya ne bone so or say frɛ another one. It's more the answer. Yes. Honestly, I said I'm not said. Say Muslim be ama. I quite say me enya sa. Enya president o kan asem ti because say frɛ from. Na ebia ekobasa na say ko frɛ obi fufra. Is that how it works? It's our man being realistic here, and I say can be not to offend anybody. Once again, this interview is between him and Sammy K. Let's watch this. We'll come back to do the discussion proper.
Me feel before enyum na baako me enu yansa ne baako no en show up and I say when show face na dia me twabo. Now I move to the next one, and I say I do because one thing you have to know is that me friend to me who I rap, I sing, me raga. I just say me person me who me sua me who. Into to the bia so obi buy enyum so a it is because you believe that this person can really decorate or what about tie and a shirt we bit match and coat ama ejina. Na moms am so a I mean also say you have to move on. But what the no show mu a won take it ama ebufu otimi nyini ko dane time. What you say and ya mbo obi ba ko say na ka safo crowd ni baba ko for we say for na nya sanka yawu. The idea coming to me, you know. Stage a bit me aye. Opanka bit me aye. Donzi bit me aye. Try other people. If you're going to yanko aces, I can say try when be. Because if a lot of artists have to come out and tell you, say originally this person was on this song, but I'm as soon as example, many Sakura. Yeah. Sakura, yeah. It was on artists before him. Oh really? Yes. I don't know fan of course Sakura. Me feel before enyum na baako me enu me ansa ne baako no en show up and I say when show face na dia me twabo. Now I move to the next one, and I say I do because one thing you have to know is that me friend to me who I rap, I sing, me raga. I just say me person me who me sua me who. Into to the bia so obi buy enyum so a it is because you believe that this person can really decorate or what about tie and a shirt we bit match and coat ama ejina. Na moms am so a I mean, also say you have to move on. But what the no show mu a won take it ama ebufu otimi nyini ko dane time. What you say and ya mbo obi ba ko say na ka safo crowd ni baba ko for we say for na nya sanka.
All right, very straight discussion. Moja ye na the bibia aba we at this stage. D-Crime, one of our hit makers, started as a hype man for Sarkodie. developed his own craft, became a hit maker, and I know on Sammy K, Omanya and Comodie. Now, Comodie, no, I say, we artists, Wako Studio, or say, Opeway, and a deny feature. Oh, yeah, you know, a friend now, so I busy friend was in move on. Now, maybe say, is that how it works? Zola, start way, oh, now, name to for Bibre and Auntie.
That's what I mean.
Yeah.
Move on there. I agree with him saying move on, but not moving on
to just anybody.
Just anybody, because and you know why you know. Before I will say Sakura and everything, you know there is one time when say Sakura and everything. And the most of the times selection for you to select an artist on a project, you know, also one direction tell you, you know. For you to move on and just go and give that song out, that song which was meant for Sakura to a different artist, like we lose focus. Because projects comes with a plan, proper plan. So if me say you move me a single me nkwan me or something nkwan, but only so be feature artist that it's either you feature someone who can give some certain mileage to the song. You understand? You know, most of our artists is here. If we feature artists, we say regardless of the way artists no on training so training or on training, when you say artists we feature on time. Me person me achieve me nya. Oh. So moving on, me agree with the moving on. Maybe you might move on with a different artist, with a different project, not the same project.
Okay.
Because the moment what draw concept, they are recording you know. So when your service now believe you me, won't me release you will release you know out of frustration and encourage. I'll be saying. Yes, me or project you go in December 1 year. You pay different artists being with to see your project and find something. Because all the different artists are equally good. This artists need to swap. You might feel Ninja will record a sign because you record or maybe do a project based on direction and then what you want to achieve.
Yeah.
And yet because we have verse keke.
Dabi.
No, and your verse keke now here.
Dabi.
And your verse keke. So
particular thing be now.
Yes. Either Nipan may add value or maybe you add value to Nipan craft.
Okay. So what D-Crime is saying is not realistic.
No, Brasami. He's not being real to himself. Maybe
he's still trying to the Sarko there factor.
Yes, maybe he wants to play a role or maybe some PR gimmicks for Sarko there. See now my mind, I don't know say Sarko there, you understand? But is it
because I'm the only Sarko there.
Yes. Because the moment of change you, I say football team, who change you plan or who change you plan no I say who change you selection I say. Bibia anko ye who to me just say bia nyame anu abi. Enye bibia anye ye brasa no. Oh na wo go match now keeper match the best start no now keeper any or we see that match. Ebi ono no kwaso dey inside only keeper. We see that match, we to be match. So with na D-Crime e can dey.
Okay, Zola ni I say the D-Crime candidate. Nah, in fact, he's not being realistic to the situation on the ground. Maminko Roland ho.
That's no cray. And so you're back on sir. I think I agree with D-Crime and I disagree with Zola.
Okay.
That's what Zola is saying, Mom, in our creative art circles. I wouldn't say any formula for success.
Well, I know they are home.
Formula B and you, that's
I know they are home.
Formula B.
No, back on ye. Formula for a hit song, not success.
For a hit song,
not success.
That's
success there. And the two big.
Even success, it can be relative. Maybe hit song.
But you need formula for a hit song.
For a hit song, okay.
Yeah. Now I no debate.
Because that's one Sarkodie's biggest song, Adonai. The original song was with SK Original. Yes, that was the original song for Castro. Before
Castro remix.
Castro's own was remix.
I swear I didn't know this.
And then I go change Castro chair because only
I swear I didn't know this.
No, Castro didn't remix.
No, the original one with SK Original French name.
And that's
you see, there is no formula for a hit song. And anytime an artist is recording a song, whether for himself, for the family, for the general public, the only mindset a woman or like all Genesis you want to be ever hate it. Ubisa tintina ubesi na ubisa artist bia say album here release and you be part of your favorite. I know I like all of them because or no. Yes. Original one with SK Original.
I see.
Who you have no way? ABB.
But no, I do.
Yeah, I don't know.
So,
one point I'm making.
It's the best. What the crime is saying, you never know where you are going to pick your next successful song from or your next biggest song from. One say no can. And now, o check industry ni ma. But when him say sometimes say ni ameti mi aye no, Zola beti mi aye kakra, Regan beti mi aye kakra, Obi beti mi aye kakra. And tie talent ni nyina ndie nipa ba akum. Yes, ye nim say at times utimi nya project bi ahwe a we die fatia fata kroma. We ya na be fiti. But that's me since there is no formula for a successful song and as a hit song in a you shouldn't, your friends say, put your hopes ni na wo nipa bakum say o nipa we na me penning say me nya na nyom ni da for 1 year. How? Because there's been so many instances Sami ni Shatawale was celebration, but eso chain why these are two monster hit artists. Omo creating monster hits, but omo buy boom intimi anko baby. But there's been so many instances amount for this recently artists for Nangasa in omo conversation. Omo guys say, oh, and you be one cry no can ma dey now so before you realize boom.
Yeah, and they be brave.
Now, but you always spend time na me here. Yes, me I always say I know I have a help card with everybody that I move with, but I don't always put my expectation or hopes on it. Eba me dey say nyankopon na ebe boa me. So be fa nipa no so aboa me fine. But I say Maya, I am not going to. When you say over expectation amount for your broken heart. What the way shame nipa. And since we are humans, obia betimi yankasa po disappoint ya It's me disappointed I am. So how much more say nipa wo nipa for fraud we ni koto no so. Obetimi disappointed. So whether the same project or a different project, same ofra Zola enya mawa. Say your friend say kwesi ata na open no na we nya no a we de nyame nchaade kweku flake abo ne huni the same thing. And the same thing can be similar. Ohwe na onya kweku flake Brasa me there are so many ways one kasapo betimi ayi onko betimi ayi a be success. Ma ye nya ye ni na ye de to amanfo so say chinchina asomo nko na omo boaya like ye bibia be wie pay. Enya no kre because there are so many examples amanfo de omani nanumpo enumpo abe kese na ne omo di ekire se o sa akode ba be ese sa akode we ba be ese ama we ba be ese ansa na menya sa hit no. Amen. It's in the sense there is no formula for a hit song or a popular song. That's I mean, if you are finding or you are looking for Sakode, now move on to another person.
Well, Roland Amate, and so I'll be move fine. Na as a Zula saw the name not Jane ding. But as Zula me back my the Beef Nation president back on same way home. Now for here, she been 1 minute, 2 minutes, be a Nana, yes, Yanko.
That's I mean, move on. Say ono akasa no kansen bi say on say one hwe a odi weni di nipa na chi bebre a edane otan.
Yes.
He say movie on onfa weni ensa nipa no enye beta wo mu enya adwen ko bi say on hwe ase because one ma feature and so no one collaborate on your song. Eye move on because obi nim baby a or hit song and also break through
a bit free about.
But so we'll be moving on. I ding
now they assume
and your yaw I try say oh me who say was say me brass am here fine currency brass am in the from mama from come Sanyama and the dear Miss Row. Beckham, what the account can we are, oh, can I yet see? May I answer you be and if I know one church, the movie or churches or no, no, for this will be for 9 or back pouch or 9. Only now, master moving on peacefully with your life. Now, my business will be quoted will be business more. Fair enough. And to move on, yes, there must be a move on. But I ain't tell you, children, and a danger.
Okay.
My record them in person with this Zola to so. Zola say why busy.
Friend and
now.
Why in
one Africa call a
What Africa ambassador?
This is the bad side of this whole
discussion, yeah.
Sometimes, you know, I want to stand with these people. I the attitude and the response you give to some of these people in your initial conversations. Maybe the end say, brass and me pesa brass and me nya dear man. Brass and me a catch him so nana. Within period now pesa me yard in the man. Me share me timetable so na me schedule so am I busy. You pa yen shifting in call next month. Na me nyama. Se betimi a train next month, I me train. Se me train next month. Hona you closing common. Besa ubema nipa no hopes because sometimes you know the ema eyomo yana ne say obe free nipa no be gene so correct. Now I know I be my guy. Charlie comes to the come house make we buy. Now I call obe say we took us see how I busy. Now I buy. Not was sending a text. No, I change so Charlie make you no worry. The thing they be done they go do give am. If you are making unim baby obi so training sick out the end project. So catch us so be releasing in 27 September. Unim there obey after 27 September. Obia planning the life. Yeah. Especially in our creative space. So don't take advantage of anybody's time. So unti me nya manipa ntia say Charlie me then you the one do this thing but Charlie me share time na farmer into a bear Charlie make we do am next project. But see nipa ne be from no after phone no Charlie Charlie you go say you come me Charlie I will do that now who raising nipa ne hopes too much expectations so any disappointment now
yeah
and me or yaw and now because be I said the year can you be kwa na obi kura or record no obi studio or person any vibe of say Charlie no the song I put Sarkodie on it, I'll push Atawali on it already, I'll push Tombo on it already, so you make it Wakati will be so opportunity. All because what for phone na own man hope so I don't obey ye. If you are cockable be seen, you can make a cry, what's our church and you be a own here? Ah, the bay I don't know. Now I cock Pesica, say be our cockable be seen. No, they are better to be seen my cockable with you because me then brass and me they won't do this thing. I remember carrying to an my brass and me say, and I saw the orange Jimmy should come. I'm sorty. Me never be out, you know, hotel big girls be near there.
Yeah, cast a black lip.
And a catfish.
Yes,
well, woman nipa etu saa na mo or the GD bi na etu saa na mo so my main sorting yama way out me ade na ejuma na nipa ne pese o yama me na efe na se ekodu ono na afi e be ko saa so o fra o mfa biem na saa attitude of disrespect so sending message no we read the blue tick me reply 3 days 4 days brasa me uye wan ye nipa o e be ya o ya you be offended into omo hwe sa aspects no mun di omo come on troji say Charlie the thing be so I don't want make you do one because me minimum artist be more obi di nyomo kra to pen drive so akọ ni obi aye meet abonyu mu na ewie wetie na bibia so be the who ya na so nipa no within some few months afa chire offend on power release similar song and see bibi say na ebe ya oya
yeah we nipa
ebe ya oya
ebe catch feelings
of course and see omo mo hwe sa attitude ni because omo ye omo ye ni na ye sa nkomodi asem because Adam dey say for example say ebi nkomodi anko say ye betwa video but nya sure say nka Adam will be so bitter and come on social media come and rant
yeah
beye because when him say o catch and say o ye beye audio no be video no me nya time ntwa But one more assurance be more year preparation. They won't go for the drum this money do more chroma. And sometimes me, I don't know at what point in time and a mom loses our communication way no. Say, say, my too busy to the extent say, oh, Zola friend me say, or person mensua in so Santa Maria. Na makachen so meswako. Bet me 3 minutes mensua. I don't think I can't Zola say no fair currency. No minty fair currency no meswa nkoma. Unnecessary. A simple conversation. That you are the own yet. Would you I don't know money panel. Okay. And if you panel to die soon and oh, Charlie, this is my album. If I put this person and that person on it.
That's it. That's it. Zola, 1 minute. Now say 1 minute.
So I think there
is
now Roland because Obi collaboration because of his song.
So Obi collaboration because of what?
Not because of Obi Wanya people's his song. Just to tap into the Pani market.
That is looking for a hit.
And then automatically because of his hit song. It's not
some of these boys are business. Sometimes they just want to collaborate with certain artists. Say, oh, on me asimesi. And then necessarily say what hate say and I say or the new you be person or you can say on the asimesi one your ball for side TV.
That's what I'm here.
You don't come from this
home. Mommy used to
not true.
But me used to big names. Me used to big names outside and then inside the Beyonce putting African artists on the project not because say she just wanted to tap into the African market. Not because Onyango is because there's no formula for his song. And then in the reason to the yes our album. Oh, Stonebwoy Angloga Junction album. Yes, was the episode of Mama Anglo or reggae and then Afrobeat. Stonebwoy and can say because I wanted to do this. By Usha direction, he wanted to tap into the Caribbean market and an Afrobeat market, not because Onyango hit song. Okay. So, you know, and yet, Obi to me, Obi to me release the album, but Bakupe never hit it. But Obi Rebecca just said the album has attained the height and people say, and yet because not Onyango hit song, no. Aquaba bit market is on the project today, he's always comfortable with, regardless of Onyango that attention in our space, but outside Onyango space, Onyango attention. A typical example, AI, near account. His song. They know what their song is doing out there. A Jay-Z looking for a Stormzy on a song, not because we hear his song.
Okay. Yeah, dear Zola Becca and Wakani Navi, the argument, my people have put out the factor out of the topics you shared. A great discussion here. Thanks to Roland Amate from the extreme left and also to Zola Nie. Zola Nie is in the middle, the man with the Lacoste. Say, I know, Abuane Papa de. Okay, everybody. And I said another regard, Beef Nation president. I am Sammy Flex, and I want to say thanks to the producers of the show, Emmanuel Lapiji, Digital Rasta Currency, and Richie Flex, as well as Tina Baby, Sexy Don Don, and Gideon Neelam Tessin. Kaise, you have subscribed to this channel, and know that we here now after the be out sorry, I'm not Kingdom TV. And I'm more quality content as much as TV is concerned. You will share him, Ochna, a bar and common so beside it. We are out of here. Bye.